Hi there, I'm Eric Thompson. I'm the channel manager here at NUC, and we're here today at TD SYNNEX's InVision event. And I'd like to highlight a family of our mini computers that we have that are really great compute technology for a variety of different use cases, like media players for digital signs, embedded inside kiosks for interactivity, edge and IoT computing applications where you have to gather data and send that up to the cloud and do local analytics. Chassis that come in a variety of different models for industrial use cases, office use cases where size is of a premium. We have a solution for just about every use case that you might imagine. And the way that we work with the channel through partners like TD SYNNEX is on a configure-to-order basis. And that gives you, the partner, control over the ultimate configuration of that system in the processor, the memory, the drive, the operating system, so that you get the solution exactly as your customers need it. And we have no minimum order quantities. So if you only need one unit, we're a great partner to support you, with also very quick turns on those. So typically 3 to 5 days, we ship out of our integration facility in Texas. We drop ship that right to you or your end customer. So we look forward to an opportunity to work with partners all over the market in support of your compute needs. Check us out at simplynook.com. Thanks.